Number 1. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. So what do we observe? The first term is 16. Common difference is 9 minus 16 will give us 7. And also 2 minus 9 will give us 9 minus 16 will give us minus 7. One difference, 9 minus 16 plus minus 7, and 2 minus 9 will also give us minus 7, so that's common difference. So since it is question says we should look for the sum of the first 20, so using n is 20, so using Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So Sn S20, first 20 terms is 20 divided by 2. 2, our first term is 16 plus 20 minus 1. Common difference is minus 7. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 10. 10, 2 times 16, 32, plus 20 minus 1, that's 19 times minus 7. 10, 32, so 19 times minus 7, minus 133, plus times minus 133 will give us minus 133, that's 10 times minus 101, and 10 times minus 1010. That's the sum of the first one. This is the sum of the first 20 terms of this arithmetic progression. Number 2. The first and last terms of an AP are 0, so A is equal to 0, and the last term is equal to 108. If the sum of the series is 702, Sn is equal to 102. Find A, the number of terms in the AP. So A using Sn is equal to n over 2 A plus L. We are using this formula because we're given the first and the last terms. If the last term is not given, then this is the formula to be used. But when the last term is given, this is the formula to be used. So series Sn is equal to 108 is equal to n, which is what we are looking for. And then our first term is 0 plus the last term is 108. The last term is 108. The series is 102. Sorry, 702. 702. Okay. So now 0 plus 108 is 108. 702 equal to n over 2, 108. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 54. 54 and 54. So 702 is equal to 54 n. 54 n. So dividing both sides by 54. Dividing both sides by 54. I'm going to have 54 n over 54 plus 702 over 54. 0, 0. N is equal to 702 divided by 54, 13. Therefore, there are 13 terms in the AP. B. The common difference between them. So to get the common difference, since the number of terms is 13, okay, since the number of terms is 13, and we're given the first term to be 0, let's say the 13th term, T13th, let's look at okay, the last term is 108, so the 13th term is 108. Since there are 13th numbers or 13th terms in the sequence, the 13th term is the last term, which is 108. So T T13 is equal to 108. And so T13, but T13 is equal to, A plus 12D, where A is equal to 0. So 0 plus 12D is equal to 108. And so 12D is equal to 108. D is equal to 108 over 12. So 12 here, 12 here. 108 divided by 12, that's 9. So therefore, the common difference is equal to 9. Number 3. A salary scale for an official starts at 1.7 million. The salary scale for an official starts at 1.7 million naira. So a rise of 84,000 naira is given at the end of each year. So let's say the first year is equal to 1,700 million. So second year, we add 84,000 naira to 1.7 million. Times 1,784. Third year, add 84,000 to it. 1,868. So it continues on and on up to the 14th year. So the question is, how much will he earn in 14 years? So all we discover is that this is the progression of the rise of his income forms an AP, where so this is an AP, arithmetic progression, where A is equal to 100,000, and then the difference, common difference, is equal to 84,000, and N is equal to 14. So using Sn is equal to N over 2A plus N minus 1 D. So the total amount that the officer will earn in 14 years is the sum of all the amounts that is earning over the range of 14 years, starting from the first year to the 14th year. So S14 is equal to 14 divided by 2 times 1700 plus 14 minus 1, common difference 84,000. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 7. So 7, 2, 3, plus 13 times 8, 4, 109, 092, 7 plus 449, 207 times 7, 3, 31, 4, 4, 4, 0, 0, 0. So 31.4 million naira is what he will be earning in 14 years time. A student makes a pattern of nested squares by arranging matchsticks as shown below. So if the student uses 312 matchsticks altogether, how many squares will the final pattern contain? So when you say let there be n squares, let there be n squares. The first square contains 1 times 4 matchsticks is equal to 4 sticks plus sticks. Second square contains 2 times 4. So but the first square contains 4 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second square contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Contains 2 times 4, 8 sticks. The third square contains 3 times 4, which is 12 sticks, all the way down to nth square. N square contains n times 4, which is equal to 4n sticks. So we know that the number of sticks required from an AP in which the first 10 is 4, the last 10 is 4n, and the sum is 312. So using Sn is equal to n over 2 a plus l, where Sn is the sum. 312 is equal to n. N is n squared. Yeah, we're looking for n over 12, n over 2. So our first 10 is 4 plus the last 10 is 4n. So 312 is equal to n over 2, 4 plus 4n. 312 is equal to n times 4 give us 4n. N times 4n, 4n squared over 2. 312 is equal to 4n plus 4n squared over 2. Cross multiply. So 2 4n plus 4n squared. 64. So 4n squared plus 4n minus 624 is equal to 0. Dividing through by 4. N squared plus 4 plus n minus 64 divided by 4 will give us 156 equal to 0. So using the quadratic formula, n is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c minus 156. So n is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 156 over 2 times 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus x minus 6 plus 156 times 4, 624, 624 divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 624 will give us 625, 625 over 1 over 2. This will give us minus 1 plus minus 625. That's 25 over 2. So this will give us, so n is equal to minus 1 plus 25 over 2, or, okay, which is equal to minus 1 plus 25 will give us 24. 24 divided by 2 will give us 2 equal to 12, or n is equal to minus 1 minus 25 over 2, which is minus 26 over 2. That's equal to minus 13. But number of tens cannot be, but n cannot be minus 13. Therefore, n is equal to 12. So there are 12 tens that make up the AP, or the question says, if the student uses 212 matchsticks altogether, how many squares will the final pattern contain? So the final pattern will contain 12 matchsticks. That's what it implies. One, the sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetical progression is 255. Find the sum of the next 20 terms of the progression, given that the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression is 1010. So let's see. So this is what we're going to do. So S30, the sum of the first 30 terms of the progression is equal to the sum of the first 10 terms plus the sum of the next 20 terms. So let's start. So the sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetical progression is 255, using Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So first 10, so S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 d. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. S10 is 255 is equal to 5, 2a plus 9d. Divide through by 5. Divide through by 5. 255 divided by 5 will give us 51. So 255 divided by 5 is equal to 5, 2a plus 9d over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 51. So 2a plus 9d. 2a plus 9d is equal to 51, equation 1. And next 20 terms, so S20 is equal to, of the first 20 terms of the progression is 1010, so 20 divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 20 minus 1 d. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 10. And S20 is 1010. So this gives us 1010 divided by 10, 2a plus 19d. Divide through, divide through by 10. And this will give us 1010 divided by 10 is equal to 10, 2a plus 19d over 10. 10 here 1, 10 here 1, 10 here 1, 10 here. 10 to 100 is 10 to 1010 is 101. So 2a plus 19d is equal to 101. Equation 2. Solving simultaneously using elimination method. Equation 1 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 51. 2a plus 19d is equal to 101. So 2a minus 2 will give us 0. 9d minus 19d will give us minus 10d. 51 minus 101. 51 minus 101 minus 50. So d is equal to minus 50 minus 10. Minus cancel out minus. 10 here 1, 10 here 5. So d is equal to 5 from equation 1. And equation 1 is 2a plus 9b is equal to 51. But d is equal to 5. So 2a plus 9 times 5 is equal to 51. 2a 9 times 5 is 45 is equal to 51. 2a is equal to 51 minus 45. 2a is equal to 51 minus 45. That's 6. So a is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So a is equal to 2. And we have a relation here. Of course, the question says we should look for the find the sum of the next 20 terms of the progression, given that the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression is 1110. So now we're going to look for S20, because that's what the question says we should do. We find the sum of the next 20 terms of the progression, given that the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression is 1110. So let's get, first of all, the sum of the total, which is the first 10 terms plus the first 20 terms, which gives us altogether the first 30 terms. So S30 using Sn is equal to n over 2, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S30 is equal to 30 over 2, 2 times 3. 30 minus 1 will give us plus 30 minus 1 will give us 29, and common difference is 5. So 2 here 1, 2 here 15. This will give us 15. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 29 times 5. 145. 145 plus 6. 151. 15 times 151. 151 times 15. 2,265. So now that we've gotten the first 30 terms, some of the first 30 terms, we say both S30 is equal to S10 plus S20. So S20 is equal to S30 minus S10. Now S30 is 2265. S10 is minus 255. Minus 255. So 2010. That's the answer. Number 2 is 2A. Find the sum of the first 24 even numbers. So the first 24 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, and 24. Alright, so the first term is 2. Common difference is 2. So using Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1. So first 24, S24 is equal to 24 divided by 2. 2 times 2 plus 24 minus 1. Common difference 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 12. And so that will give us 12. 2 times 2, 4 plus 23 times 2. 12, 4 plus 23 times 2, 46. 46 plus 12 times 50. 600. Therefore, the sum of the first 24 even numbers is 600. B. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP 17. So AP here, the first term is 17. Common difference is 12 minus 17 minus 5. The common difference is minus 5. So using S is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 g. So the first 20 times S20 is equal to 20 divided by 2. 2 times the first 10, 17 plus 20 minus 1 times d minus 5. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. So it was 10. 2 times 17, 34 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 times minus 5 minus 95. Minus 95. So, and this will give us 10 plus 34. 10 times 34 plus times minus will give us minus 95. That will give us 10. 34 minus 95 minus 61. So 10 times minus 61 minus 610. Therefore, the sum of first 20 terms of the AP is minus 610. Number 1. The first two terms of an AP are 3 and 8. Determine the least number of terms that must be taken so that the sum exceeds 250. So the first term is equal to 3, and the second term is 8. and C2 is equal to 8. C1 is 3. Now the common difference is equal to 8 minus 3, and that's equal to 5. If the sum of the nth term, exactly to 50, then using Sn equal to n over 2 a plus n minus 1 d. So and we're looking for a number of 10, so S and sum is 250 equal to n over 2. 2 times 3 plus n minus 1, common difference 5. So 250 is equal to n over 2. 6. 5 times n gives 5n minus 5. 6 minus 5 gives 1. 250 is equal to n over 2. 1 plus 5n. 250. N times 1 gives us n. 5n times 5n gives us 5n squared over 2. So cross multiplying. 2 times 250 n plus 5n squared. The area gives us 500 equal to n plus 5n squared. So 5n squared plus n minus 500 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, n is equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 500. So n is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 squared minus 4 times 5 times minus 500 over 2 times 5. So minus 1 plus minus 1, minus times minus gives us plus. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 500, 1,000. 10,000 rather. 10 minus 1 plus minus. So 1 plus 10,000 gives us 10,001 over 10. And this will give us minus 1 plus minus square root of 10,001 100.005 divided by 10. And this will give us minus 1 plus 100.005 over 10, or minus 1 minus 100.005 over 10. So minus 1 plus divided by 10, 9.9005, or minus 1 minus 100.005 divided by 10 minus 10 is 10 minus 10.10, but n cannot be negative minus 10 and 10, so n is equal to 9 9.9005. But since n is greater than 9.9005, it must be a whole number. So we say since n is greater than 9.9005, it must be a whole number. A whole number. Therefore, n is equal to approximately 10 to the nearest whole number. So the number of terms in the sequence is 250. So if the first two terms of an AP are 3 and 8, the least number of terms that must be taken so that the sum exceeds 250 is 10. So n is 10. Number 2, the first, 95th, and the last terms of an AP are minus 2. So the first term is minus 2. 95th, C, 95 is 115.5. And the last term is 24.6, 246.75 respectively. Find the number of terms of the series. So we're not told to look for the sum, we're only told to look for the number of terms. So this means that the last term is 246.75, which means if the total number of terms that make up the sequence is 8, that means the 8th term, which is the last term, is 246.75, but we don't know if it is 8, so we are going to look for the number of terms. So since the last time is given to us, we are going to say TL is equal to A plus n minus 1 d, but A is equal to minus 2 and d is equal to, the first thing first, we need to get our common difference. For us to get common difference, we're going to use T95. So we're going to say T95. So common difference is unknown, so unknown. So let's come over here and say from T, from the 95th term, from the 95th term, 95th was A plus n 95 minus 1 is equal to 115.5. So A, which is minus 2, so minus 2 plus 94, so equal to D is equal to 94D to 115.5. So 94D is equal to 115.5 plus 2. 94D is equal to 115.5 plus 2. 117.5. So D is equal to 117.5 divided by 94, and D is equal to divided by 94. Answer is 1.25. So the common difference is 1.25. So let's come back to this. So TL is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So the number of terms that make up the series, since the last term is given TL, the last term will give us the number of terms that make up the series. So TL is equal to 246.75. So 246.75 is equal to A, which is minus 2 plus n minus 1, 1.25. So 246.75 is equal to minus 2. 1.25 times 1 gives us plus 1.25n minus 1.25. So minus 2, 246.75 is equal to minus 2 minus 1.25 plus 1.25n. 246.75 is equal to minus 2 minus 1.25 minus 3.25 minus 3.25 plus 1.25n. So collect like things. Collect like things. So this will cross over to become plus 246.75 plus 3.25 equals 1.25n. 1.25n. So 246.75 plus 3.25, that's 250. 250 equals 1.25n. N is equal to 250 divided by 1.25. And n is equal to 200. So therefore, there are 200 terms in the series. So that's A. B says find the sum of all the terms. So B, using Sn is equal to n over 2 divided by 2a plus n minus 1 d, where n is 200, so s 200 is equal to 200 over 2, 2 times minus 2 plus 200 minus 1, common difference is 1.25. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 100, that will give us 100 minus 4 plus 199 times 199, 1.25. Okay, so this will give us 100 minus 4 plus 199 times 1.25 times 1.25, that's 248.75. 248.75 plus 400, 248.75 minus 4, 244.75 times 100, 24,475. 24,475. That's the sum of the 200 terms. C says find the 100th term. So T100 is equal to A plus 100 minus 1 D. A is 19. A is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99. And D is 1.25. So minus 2 plus 99 times 1.25. 123.75. 123.75. So minus 2 plus 123.75. 121. 121.75. That's the answer. 1A. How many terms of the AP must be added together to obtain the sum total of 164? So the first term is 3. The common difference, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So using Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, where Sn is 164, n over 2, 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 d, d is 5. 164 is equal to n over 2, 6 plus 5 times n will give us 5n minus 5, and that will give us 164 is n over 2, 1 plus 5, and 164 is equal to n plus 5n squared over 2. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. We're going to have 2.64 equal to n plus 5n squared. 0.28 equal to n plus 5n squared. 5n squared plus n minus 0.28 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, n minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 3.28. So n is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root 1 squared minus 4 times 5 times minus 3.28 over 2 times 5 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus x minus equals plus 4 times 5 20 times 328 65 6560. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1 plus minus 6560 plus 1 square root of 6561 divided by 10. So minus 1 plus minus square root 6561 is 81 divided by 10. So this will give us minus 1 plus 81 divided by 10, or minus 1 minus 81 divided by 10. So minus 1 plus 81 will give us minus plus 80. 80 divided by 10 is 8, or minus 1 minus 1 will give us 82. 80 divided by 10, 82 divided by 10 will give us minus 8.2. But n, which is but n, which is number of tens, cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. So n cannot be minus 8.2. Therefore, n is equal to 8. So there are 8 terms. 8 terms that make up. There are 8 terms that must be added together to obtain the sum total of 164. Then B, what is the last term of the AP? The last term of the AP. Then B. Since the number of terms that must be added to get 164 is 8, that means the last term of the AP. That means the AP has 8 terms, so the last term will be T8. So T8 is equal to A plus 7D, and that will give us T8. Since A, the first term is 3 plus 7 times D, the common difference is 5. So 3 plus 7 times 5, 35, and that will give us 38. Number 2. A man is able to save 15 naira of his salary in a particular year. After every year, he saves 20 naira more than the preceding year. How long does it take him to save 4,270 naira? So the first year, let's just say first year, he saved 50 naira. And the second year, if he saved 20 naira more, that means 20 plus 50, that will be 70 naira. Third year will give us 90 naira. So what do we observe? This is an AP. So this forms an AP. This one's an AP, of which the first term is 50 naira, and then common difference is 20 naira. So we want to know how long it will take him to save 4,370 naira. So that's sum using Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1t, where Sn is equal to 4,370 is equal to n over 2. 2 first term is 15 minus plus n minus 1. Common difference is 20. So 4,370 is equal to n over 200 plus 20n minus 20. So 4,370 is equal to n over 2. 100 minus 20 will give us 80 plus 20n. So 4,370 is equal to 80n plus 20n squared divided by 2. Cross multiplying. Let's multiply. We're going to have 2 4,370 is equal to 20n squared plus 80n. 8,740. 8,740 squared to 20n squared plus 80n. So 20n squared plus 80n minus 8,740, which is 0. Using the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, n is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 20, b is equal to 8c, and c is equal to minus 8,740. So n is equal to minus 80 plus minus 80 squared minus 4 times 20, 4 times 20 times minus 8,740 divided by 2 times 20. This will give us minus 80 plus or minus 80 squared, 6,400, minus x minus is plus 4 times 20. 4 times 20 is 80 times 8,740, 699,200, 699,200 divided by 2 times 20 is 40. So minus 80 plus minus square root, add it to 6,400, 705, 600, 705, 600 divided by 40. So minus 80 plus minus square root 840 divided by 40. So n is equal to minus 80 plus 840 divided by 40, or minus 80 minus 840 divided by 40. So n is equal to minus 80 plus 840 divided by 40, 19, or minus 80 minus 840 divided by 40, or minus 23. But n cannot be minus 23, therefore n is equal to 19. Therefore it will take 19 years to save. It will take you 19 years to save 4,270 naira. To save 4,270 naira. Actually, the sum of the first 9 terms of an AP is 72. So S9 is equal to 72, and S9 is equal to 72 is equal to N 9 over 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 D. $72 is equal to 9 over 2, 2A plus 8D. So 72 is equal to cross multiply. Okay, so multiply through by 2. Multiply through by 2. 72 times 2 will give us 2. 2 times 72 is equal to 9. 2A plus 8D. This will give us 144. 9 times 2A plus 8D. Divide through by 9. Divide through by 9. 144 divided by 9. 9 2A plus 8D over 9. 9 1. 9 1. 9 1. 244. 16. So 2A plus 8D is equal to 16. Equation 1. Then and the sum of the next 4 terms is 71. So take note that the question says the sum of the next 4 terms. So before you get the next 4 terms, that means there was 9 terms. There were 9 terms before. So altogether, the sum of the next 4 terms will now be S9 plus 4. That will give us altogether S13. So this previous 9 terms plus the next 4 terms will give us S13, and that will give us 70. S9 was 72, and the next 4 terms, 72 plus 71, that will give us what? 72 plus 71, 143. So S13 is equal to N that is 13 over 2, 2A plus 13 minus 1 D. So S13 is 143. 143 is equal to 13 over 2, 2A plus 12D. So multiply through by 2. This will give us 143 is equal to 13, 2A plus 12D. So 2 times 143, 286 is equal to 13, 2A plus 12D. So divide through by 13. So 286 divided by 13 is equal to 13, 2A plus 12D over 13. 13 year 1, 13 to 286, 22. 13 year 1, 13 year 1. So 2A plus 12D is equal to 22. Equation 2. We're solving simultaneously using elimination method. So 2A plus 8D is equal to 16. 2A plus 12D is equal to 22. Eliminate 2A plus 8D minus 12D will give us minus 4D. 16 minus 22 minus 6. So D is equal to minus 6 minus over minus 4. Minus cancel minus 2 here, 3, 2 here, 2. So the common difference is 3 over 2. From equation 2, 2A plus 12D is equal to 22. But D is equal to 3 over 2. So 2A plus 12, 3 over 2 is equal to 22. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. 2A, 6 times 3 is 18, equal to 22. So 2A is equal to 22 minus 18. 2A is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So therefore, A is equal to 2. Alright. So the question says we should find the AP. To find the AP. So altogether, we're going to find 13 APs. 13 terms that will make up the AP. Rather. So we've gotten the first term, T2. T2 is equal to A plus D. And that will give us A is 2. And common difference is 3 over 2. And that will give us 2 over 1. LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7 over 5. 7 over 5, which is equal to 7 divided by 5, 1.4. C3 is A plus 2D. And this will give us 2 plus 2 times 3 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. C4 A plus 3D. 2 plus 3, 3 over 2. 2 plus 3 times 3, 9 over 2. 9 over 2 over 1. The LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. That's 13 over 2. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. C5 is equal to A plus 4D. That's equal to 2 plus 4, 3 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 times 2 is 6. So 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. C6 A plus 5D. So 2 plus 5, 3 over 2. 2 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 2 over 1. And this will give us 2. LCM is 2. 4 plus 15. 19 over 2. And that will give us 19 divided by 2. 9.5. C7. C7 will give us C7 is A plus 60. That will give A 2 plus 6, 3 over 2, 3 and 1, 2 here 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. C8 A plus 17, 2 plus 7, 3 over 2. 2 over 1 plus 21 over 2. 2, 4 plus 21, 25 over 2. 25 divided by 2, 12.5. C9 is A plus 8D. 2 plus 8, 3 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 plus 12, that's 14. C10 A plus 9D. 2 plus 9, 3 over 2. 2 plus 5 times 3, 27 over 2. LCM is 2. 4 plus 27, and that will give us 31 over 2. 15.5. 15.5. So let me come over here. So T11 is equal to A plus 10 D. 2 plus 10, 3 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here. 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. T12 is equal to A plus 11 D. 2 plus 11, 3 over 2. 2 plus 33, 33 over 2. Now give us 2. 4 plus 33, 37 over 2. 18.5. And T13 is equal to A plus 12D. A is A, we give A 2 plus 12, 3 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6. 2 plus 6 times 3, 18. 2 plus 18 is 20. Therefore, the terms of the AP are, therefore the terms of the AP are, first term 2, T2 is 1.4, C3 5, C4 6.5, C5 8, C6 9.5, C7 11, C8 12.5, C9 14, C10 15.5, C11 17, C12 18.5, C13 20. These are the terms of the AP.